Thanks for joining Travel Ideas. Welcome aboard. Feel your heart race as the helicopter's blades begin to spin, the engine roars to life, and we lift off the ground. It's an electrifying moment, like a jolt of lightning coursing through your veins. The surge of adrenaline is undeniable as the helicopter starts to lift, the ground falling away beneath us. There's a pulse-pounding thrill that comes with defying gravity, a feeling of liberation that's utterly incomparable. As we ascend, the world below starts to shrink, transforming into a miniature version of itself. The surrounding landscape unfolds before our eyes, a breathtaking tapestry of colors and shapes. The air around us hums with the rhythm of the blades, a steady beat that punctuates the quiet. There's a sense of anticipation, a building excitement as we climb higher and higher. The world is at our fingertips, ready for us to explore. And just like that, we're airborne. The adventure has begun. Now we descend to a lower altitude, getting closer to the stunning landscapes below. The world takes on a new dimension as we skim above the treetops, fields, rivers, and hills. It's not just about the view, it's about the sensation, the thrill that comes with low-level flight. At this altitude, everything moves at a different pace. The scenery doesn't just pass by, it rushes past in a thrilling blur of colors and shapes. You feel the speed in a way that's impossible at higher altitudes. The world is no longer a map spread out beneath you. It's a dynamic, moving tapestry that you're a part of. Low-level flight isn't just about speed, it's a dance, a delicate ballet of maneuvers. We're not just flying, we're weaving, darting, and skimming the earth. We're navigating around natural obstacles, threading the needle between hills, following the winding course of a river, or swooping over a forest canopy. It's a dynamic, interactive experience that puts your skills to the test. And then there's the thrill, the adrenaline, the breathless anticipation as you approach a ridge, the exhilarating rush as you clear it and see the landscape open up before you. It's a roller coaster ride, a high-speed chase, an action movie scene come to life. It's the kind of adventure that gets your heart pounding, your blood rushing, and leaves you craving for more. As we maneuver, you can feel the power of the helicopter, the roar of the engine vibrating through the controls. You're not just a passenger, you're an integral part of the machine, feeling every movement, every shift in the wind, every change in altitude. It's an immersive, visceral experience that connects you to the aircraft and the world around you in a way that nothing else can. As we weave through the valley, the thrill of low-level flight is undeniable. You're not just flying, you're living an adventure, experiencing the world in a whole new way. And that, my friends, is the true beauty of low-level helicopter flight. As we fly, take a moment to marvel at the breathtaking vistas unfolding beneath us. We're soaring over a mosaic of landscapes, each with its own unique allure. The world below is a patchwork quilt of colors and textures, shifting and changing as we traverse the skies. From the verdant green of dense forests to the stark white of snow-capped peaks, from the sapphire blue of winding rivers to the golden hues of sprawling deserts, it's a visual feast that never fails to captivate. Notice how the landscapes change as we fly. The flat plains gradually give way to rolling hills, which in turn morph into towering mountains. It's a testament to the Earth's diverse and ever-changing terrain, a spectacle of nature's grandeur that we are privileged to witness from our lofty perch. There's something humbling about seeing the world from this perspective. It makes us realize just how vast and varied our planet is. The sense of scale is staggering, yet there's a profound sense of connection too. From up here, we're not just observers, but participants in the grand tapestry of life. And then there's the sense of freedom. There are no roads to follow, no paths to tread. We're not bound by the constraints of the earth. We can go wherever we please, explore the unexplored, and see the unseen. It's an exhilarating feeling, a heady mix of excitement and awe. The changing perspectives offer fresh insights too. Landmarks that seem familiar from the ground take on a whole new dimension when viewed from above. It's as if we're seeing them for the first time, discovering hidden facets and nuances that were previously unnoticed. As we navigate through the skies, we're not just flying, we're exploring. We're venturing into the unknown, pushing boundaries and charting our own course. The world below is not just a landscape, it's a canvas, a playground for the adventurous spirit. From this vantage point, the world below is our own personal playground. At this low altitude, flying is a dance of precision and skill. It's a ballet in the sky where the helicopter is the dancer and the pilot the choreographer. In the world of low-level flight, each maneuver is a challenge. Picture this, you're cruising along, the landscape rushing past beneath you. Suddenly, a hill appears on your path, or a tower, or a flock of birds. It's not just about keeping the helicopter in the air, it's about predicting, reacting, and executing maneuvers with precision to avoid these obstacles. Now, imagine the concentration required for this. It's like playing a high-stakes game of chess, where every move counts, and a single misstep could mean a checkmate. The pilot's mind has to be laser-focused, eyes constantly scanning the environment, hands and feet in perfect sync with the controls. It's a mental and physical workout rolled into one. The wind, too, plays its part in this dance. It can be a gentle partner, guiding you along, or a capricious adversary, pushing against your every move. The pilot must read the wind, feel its ebb and flow, and adjust the helicopter's course accordingly. It's a delicate balance, a constant push and pull between man, machine, and nature. But the satisfaction of successful navigation, of overcoming these challenges, is unparalleled. The smooth swerve around a hill, the elegant dip below a flock of birds, the triumphant surge over a tower. Every precise maneuver leaves you with a sense of accomplishment, a feeling of mastery over the elements. It's a thrill, a rush of adrenaline that words can scarcely describe. And it's not just about the thrill, it's about the skill, the knowledge, the unspoken bond between the pilot and the helicopter. It's a dance of precision and skill, a testament to the sheer exhilarity of flying. Despite the challenges, every maneuver is a testament to the skill and thrill of being a pilot. And that, folks, is the beauty of low-level flight. The dance continues, the ballet in the sky goes on, and the adventure never ends. As our flight draws to a close, it's time to prepare for landing. The descent after an exhilarating flight is a moment filled with a different kind of thrill. It's the final act of our airborne ballet, a dance between man, machine, and the forces of nature. You can feel the helicopter slowing, the rotor's rhythm shifting as we begin to descend. The engine's roar starts to mellow out, replaced by the ever-growing hum of the wind against the rotor blades. It's like the helicopter is breathing a sigh of relief, a gentle exhale as we lower ourselves back towards the ground. The landscape below starts to draw nearer, the details becoming clearer. Those distant specks morph into buildings, trees, and roads. It's a bit like watching a picture come into focus, the world shifting from an abstract painting to a detailed portrait. It's a reminder of our place in the grand scheme of things, a humbling experience to say the least. Then comes the sensation of descent. It's not unlike the feeling you get when going down a roller coaster, that momentary weightlessness that makes your stomach do a little flip. But it's more controlled, more gradual. There's a certain grace to it, a quiet elegance. It's a testament to the beauty of flight, a moment of tranquility amidst the adrenaline-fueled adventure. As we approach the ground, the helicopter starts to level out. There's a slight jolt as the wheels make contact, a gentle reminder of our return to the realm of solidity. It's the punctuation at the end of an incredible sentence, the final note in a symphony of sensations. Throughout the process, the pilot remains a picture of calm, their hands steady on the controls, guiding us safely back to Earth. It's a testament to their skill and experience, a reminder of the trust we place in them every time we strap ourselves into these flying machines. And with a soft thud, we're back on Earth. What a ride. The landing marks the end of our journey, but the memories of the flight will linger, a testament to the power of adventure and the lure of the skies. As we step out of the helicopter, the exhilaration of our flight still lingers. We've journeyed through the sky, skimming the earth below, the world rushing by in a blur of stunning landscapes. The thrill of low-level flight, the challenge of maneuvering through valleys and mountains, it's an experience that leaves you breathless. We've felt the adrenaline, the heart-pounding excitement of being in control, the raw power of the helicopter at our fingertips. And what a sight we've witnessed. The world stretched out beneath us, a tapestry of colors and shapes, textures and patterns. It's a perspective that few get to see, a view that's both humbling and awe-inspiring. We'd love to hear about your thoughts on this adventure, your insights, your reactions. So don't hesitate to share in the comments. And if you're hungry for more, subscribe for more thrilling escapades. Thanks so much for joining us on this thrilling journey. Until the next adventure, stay curious and keep exploring. If you enjoyed this video, please join Travel Ideas for more.